Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, a mom of four beautiful girls, and today I am showing you how to make a simple DIY hair moisturizer that works wonderful on natural hair. If you're interested to know how to moisturize hair very well, watch. The reason I started from where I was losing my daughter's hair is for me to explain it so I can be able to explain it to you, and you that I'm explaining it to, you will understand where I am going to and the process. So what we are going to do for this video today is just two steps. After I undo her hair, I'm going to detangle it. So that is why I am making this very part, so you will understand when I said how to untangle hair. So after that, I'm still going to show you how I moisturize the hair. So my daughter's hair, my three kids' hair that I'm making their hair, apart from the baby in my back right now, their hair is natural hair. They've not relaxed their hair. So but when I'm making their hair, the reason why they don't feel pain is because I always moisturize their hair. Like, this is the reason I'm going to walk you through on every single step I am going to take, because I want you to understand this thing I am trying to do now. So Victoria hair, which is the hair we are losing right now, her hair is the shortest hair in my in the among three of them. I'm talking about three of them, not the baby. So here, this is the reason. You see, when you undo your hair, when you lose your hair, to have something like this, it's not bad. It's just because the hair is long, and the hair we just kind of had a little inch, and this is the comb I'm going to be using. So if you don't have this kind of comb, or if you prefer hairbrush, you can also use hairbrush, whichever way that is okay for you, like the one that you prefer, or the one you have. You must not have exact what I have, but if you decide to also use this kind of comb, and I'll be dropping the link in the comment section, you can go for it. Okay, but if you don't have it, do use what you have. You can use hairbrush. So what I'm using now for this detangling, so I have not washed her hair, so I am detangling her hair with flaxseed. So I have made a tutorial before where I was detangling all three of their hair, which is Diamond, Victoria, and Bianca, where I was detangling three of their hair. But today I just decided to show it to from when I was losing the hair, which is undoing the hair, and to when I was detangling the hair. And another thing is, after I do this, when I wash it. Okay, so I made my flaxseed. I made much, so I kept it in the fridge. So today I just took a little out from the ones I put in the fridge, and I put in this bottle, and I just warm it. Like, I put pot on the gas, I put hot water, and I just put it like this. So the reason why I warm it a little to make it warm is we are still in a winter, like not just that winter, but we cannot take coating for now, because it's not summer. If it's summer, it would be really nice to use it maybe cold, but since it's not summer, I had to like make it, just warm it a little, so that when I'm using it, she will be okay with it. So that is the reason why I did it. So after I did that, I start sectioning the hair step by step, and applying the flaxseed um, gel on it. So after I do that, I first of all use the three, is it three side or four, to to make sure I open it first before I start combing it. So this is the same process I use with for everything. So when I'm done doing that, I just use shower cap to cover it. So it must not be shower cap. If you don't have shower cap, you can use polythene to cover it. Anything that is plastic, so that it will enter very well. So after I did that, I use moisturizer to moisturize it. So just like so. This is the first one I added. So this is why I'm showing my face here, because the smell is coconut, it's made with coconut. So the smell is so nice. We all know how a conditioner hair a condition with coconut, it smells so well, and as I was doing this, I was just like, I was feeling it. That is why I show my face like that. Don't mind me, Joe. So, and it's this is the same thing I did here. So after I add everything, like those two types, I just use my finger to start scrubbing it, like not my fingernails, but my hand to just start scrubbing to make sure everything go down like this. So when I'm done, I'm going to use this wide mat comb also to be combing it section by section. You see the hair, it just going out so well. See, it's going out so well. So in case you wonder how long it takes for me to wash it, I waited for the flaxseed to stay for the hair for an hour. So I washed the hair after an hour. Then now that's when I started moisturizing it. So now I'm done moisturizing it, and I'm done combing it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm using very tiny this comb to comb it, and I'm going to be using this castle oil to line it. It just to line it, to oil it, to make sure there is oil. So, and yeah, it's optional if you don't feel good about it, or if you don't feel well, but if you don't feel like using it, you must not use it. So after this, after I section the one I want to weave, and also you can also weave, or you can twist it. So whichever way is good. So when you twist it, it's more like when you want to tip hair, when you want to make sure the hair is always having tip. So, but for Victoria's hair, her hair is nice. And the reason I showed that bottle, that is Vaseline. In case maybe, for example, you want to add something like oil, you don't have oil at home, like just the way I added that cream. Maybe, for example, you don't have something like that, you can add Vaseline to it. It's also nice. I do both. For example, I don't have this oil I'm using now, and this is a castle oil. I use Vaseline. It's also a super. It's also super idea, but it's optional though. You can use it, or you can use anyone that you feel like. And I am weaving mine just to mat it. But you can also twist yours if you feel like you want to twist it, whichever way is good. So after I finish doing this way, I'm still going to use the same cream to cream it very well, then add little in my hand, just like so. Then I will scrub it, use to start holding strand to strand by strand, is it ahead like that. Then that's all we are done. So, and what I did in this video, I lose the hair first, and I detangled it. Then I wash the hair. When I wash the hair, before I wash the hair, I mask it. Like after I wash the hair with shampoo, I mask the hair. Then before I finally washed it. So here we are, and I hope you learned from this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.